So hi, this is Merlin. Today I'm gonna talk about what I learned today. Actually, I really had no idea what was the difference between Yamberry and the PMPM. So PMPM. So I was like, wait, so there I read the article about the difference between it. So the Yam Classic is just the Yam version one, and so it just can create. Wait, I forgot the word of it. So the problem is no hoist. Wait, hold on. I have to read this first. Oh yeah, it's just the no hoist issue. So if you're drinking yarn, and the irrigator is gonna check the dependency, and it will flat the dependency if there's a the the dep if there's the same dependency. Example, if you can see this image, there's a B1 and B1, and this will be flat the dependency. You just make it like this. But the thing is that if I don't use B1, even though I don't use B1, you're just gonna reference this B1 even though I don't use it. So that is the bad thing about yarn. So and the problem is that the problem is just on the yarn version one, but Yamberry is different. Yamberry and PNP use plug and plug in to handle the dependency issue. So so the default is no hoist. So so hoist, the one who has hoist that encounter the 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 dependency problem, but the when you use no hoist, you're just gonna encounter the dependency problem. So that is it. So this is also what I learned today, and also this is not what I learned today. This is like I already know, I already knew, but I forgot it. So did this. So this in JavaScript is really important. So so what is this in JavaScript? This is just it just representing or directing your scope. So example, if I use this, if this in object, and this will be example no, this in the global frame. So global frame, like global execution context, global context. So this is go to window. Yeah, this is because it's global. But if there's like this, if I create a class, and if I create a method of it, the this will point the the class. So this is like pointing the scope of it. Yeah, I think this is right. Yeah, if I put the this on it, it will just reference the object. So basically, this is uh this so like in just normal function, not our function, it's just normal function. This this is just created. This can uh how to say it this is just like referencing the scope of current scope. But if I do the arrow function, it we're just gonna receive you receive the scope from the parent. So example, if I use this on here, then if there's like not arrow function, this will be reference this part. But if I but that the thing is that this arrow function, so this will point the object. So this is how it goes. But the I can put this on it, like this is called this binding. So I can like make this make this binding. So binding is just like make this context, make this specific context in some kind of scope. So so if there's like object, if I use call on it, I can put this on. So that means I put this binding on it, this binding on it, this binding on it. So that is how it goes. So it's just like this is just pointing of your scope. I think this is a pointing of your scope, how your scope has been done. So yeah, and this is it. This is really simple. Oh, when I'm trying to, so I'm gonna try to explain the var let const, the difference between it. So var is it it just, in terms of reassignment, you can use var and let, but const you cannot reassign. But the var is the, there's a hoist. So what is hoist? Hoist is just like the memory just gonna empty it for the variable, but you're just gonna put undefined on it. So that's how hoist goes. But let, there's a hoist on the let const too, but there's no putting undefined. So if so that is falling into TDG, temporary dead zone. So if you're just gonna reference that on the let const in that moment, you're just gonna throw the error. So that is why. So var is can be reassignment and let is can be reassignment. But there's a functional scope on it. There's a block level scope and function level scope. Function level scope is on the var, and block level scope is let and const. So this is it. Yeah, this is it. So live flow and repaint is, live flow is layout, repaint is just kind of, yeah, live flow is layout, repaint is just like repainting the visible moment. So yeah, this is it. This is what I learned today. This is just a recap of what I learned here now. So bye bye.